Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V11. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V11 is making strange noises while you're cleaning, it's likely due to a failing motor. This can result from wear and tear, debris buildup, or even overheating. If left unaddressed, it could lead to a complete motor failure, rendering your vacuum unusable. To resolve this issue, you'll need a few tools and materials: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement motor for the Dyson V11, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, ensure your Dyson V11 is unplugged and has no battery attached. Begin by using the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the base of the vacuum. These screws secure the outer casing, so take your time to avoid stripping them. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the casing using the flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as you don't want to damage any clips or tabs. With the casing removed, locate the motor. It's typically situated at the rear of the unit and may be covered by additional panels. Carefully disconnect any wires attached to the motor, noting their positions for reassembly later. Now, remove the screws securing the motor in place. Again, use the Phillips screwdriver and be mindful of the torque applied. You don't want to over-tighten them when reassembling. Once the screws are out, gently lift the motor out of its compartment. It might be snug, so a little wiggling can help. Replace it with the new motor, ensuring it fits snugly in the same position as the old one. Reconnect the wires, ensuring they are secure and in the correct locations. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After securing the new motor with its screws, carefully reattach the casing. Align it properly and press down gently until you hear the clips snap back into place. Finally, replace the screws at the base to secure everything tightly. Before testing your Dyson, give it a quick wipe down with a soft cloth to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated during the repair. To prevent your Dyson V11 from making strange noises in the future, it's essential to regularly clean the filters and ensure there are no blockages in the hose or brush bar. Regular maintenance can help prolong the life of your vacuum and keep it functioning smoothly. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.